Aman, also you have started with influencer marketing recently, and Bombay Fashion Week, you showcased your product as well. So, what according to you is the best way to leverage influencer marketing?
Yeah, so as Sushruti said that influencer marketing plays a very vital role for the brand's growth and brand's visibility. So basically it's all about building the trust. Now, people of course trust the celebrities advertisement, but nowadays people have started consuming more of Instagram content or the meta content. So they want to, see what people are selling or what they want to buy. All the decision making is happening, within this social network. So of course it plays a very key role. And influencer, there are also multiple types of influencer. For example, for Saki brand, Samantha plays as a celebrity influencer role. So there are different hierarchy and different types of influencer which can help any brand to scale. And apart from that, my insight would be, nowadays the trending part is we can create a lot of UGC content. We can start scaling this UGC content with the help of meta ads, so that overall we can improve the CTR, reduce the CAC, and overall the funnel ROAS can be improved at the funnel level. So yes, of course, I do agree, and influencer marketing is playing very vital role.
Got it, Aman. And talking about influencers, Sushruti, you are pretty much active on your social media as well, and you are an influencer yourself. So, Aman, I've stalked your social media as well. I'm sorry, guys, for that, but yeah, you are not that pretty active on social media. So, I wanted to, understand whether the personal branding is an important aspect, and whether a brand associated with the founder and have a personal branding creates a funnel for the sales.
Of course. So, again, the era is changing and the demand and needs of the consumer is also changing, based on the demand and supply. So, nowadays, founders are playing a vital role and creating self brand awareness for their brand, because it's all about narrating the story of your brand. How good you can narrate the story of your brand, you can connect the dots between the consumer and the brand. Majority of the founders nowadays are, they have turned a normal person to an entrepreneur first of all, which
Correct.
is again a very roller coaster journey. And
Yeah.
from entrepreneur to again, celebrity founders, like as seen on Shark Tanks,
Yeah.
and turning themselves into influencers and normal people like us. So basically, yes, self branding is very important, because it can help to connect the dots between the brand and the storytelling of the founder's vision, so that a trust can be built. Because we cannot rely only on giving money to Meta and Google,
Yeah.
because multiple funnels needs to be created in the longer journey, so that we can create a beautiful brand.
That's right. And being an influencer is not easy. I have to know Sushruti's point of view.
See, I think it's usually a personal call of a founder if they want to do it or not. Not all founders do it, and so where it helps is that, one, if your budgets are constrained, fantastic, you can be the best influencer. And like Aman said, nobody knows your story better than you know your story. So I think
Correct.
putting your version of it out there really helps. And I think the younger audience today, right, no longer looks at it just as a product. They want to see the values associated with it, who are the people behind it, and so they build deeper connects with the brand in itself. So I think in those ways it really helps. Sometimes it's a bit taxing to do it when you're a founder and you're trying to be an influencer, where you have to look fantastic and you're also shooting, and then you take off everything and you've got to get to the grunt work and actually do the work that's required as well.
Yeah.
So I think it's challenging, but it's really fun, and also builds very strong connect with your customers. But you've equally got to be open to hearing the customers' feedback very loud and clear. They don't like something, you're going to get 10 negative comments. So that's definitely going to be there. But I think as founders, we should always be open to feedback. So it's a great way of getting that as well.
Correct.